Hello people. So this video is because I had ordered like books for UPSC, not the NCRTs, like the अच्छी वाली books, standard books. और I have got the books, तो इसलिए I thought कि एक video बना लेते हैं for like unpackaging and like looking at the book for the first time, the first reaction I get and all that. So yes, let's get started. So the first book which I have is uh, for polity. This I ordered from Snapdeal. I got it there for like 380 rupees. I got it there for 380 rupees. On like Amazon and Flipkart, they were very costly, around for 600 to 700. So like on Snapdeal, it was सबसे सस्ता. So I ordered it from Snapdeal. Let's open this. So this is the book, Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. This is the 6th edition. I don't know if it is like for 2021 or 2022 or उससे भी पहले वाली, but I got 6th edition for 380 rupees from Snapdeal. Yes. So I believe this is the original one. Let me check कि price क्या लिखा है इस पे. प्राइस नहीं लिखा है इस पे शायद. या दिस इज 2020 एडिशन, नॉट 2021. और प्राइस भी इस पे नहीं लिखा हुआ है. सो दिस इज द बुक. विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट बुक. The book I have with me now is this. I got it from Amazon. शायद ये ethics वाली बुक है जो पेपर 4th में आता है. So this is for ethics. I got it for 182 rupees. तो हुआ क्या था, I ordered it पहले from Flipkart, लेकिन Flipkart पे फिर मैंने 299 की ऑर्डर की थी ये बुक, और फिर जब मैंने Amazon पे देखा तो ये 182 की थी. तो I had to cancel वो Flipkart वाला ऑर्डर, or I had to like reorder it on Amazon. Just a second. This is better. This is the book. This is 2020 edition. ऑल्सो द बुक थोड़ा सा ऊपर से लाइक अच्छी नहीं है. इसका जो लैमिनेशन है वो ऊपर से निकल रहा है, लेकिन अब ठीक ही है. आई थिंक इट इज़ असली वाली बुक. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन असली वाली बुक एंड नकली वाली बुक. आई गॉट दिस. $395 is the MRP of the book and I got it for 182 rupees from Amazon. अच्छी किताब है, मतलब अच्छा प्राइस मिल गया. So this is okay. Sorry. So for ethics, I have ordered lexicon for ethics, integrity, and aptitude. I know nothing about ethics right now, so after I'll read the book, I guess I'll get some ideas. Next, I have this big parcel. In this, there are 2 books. Which book are they? Just a second. This is the bill. 609 for this and this. Sorry, wait. Yeah. So the first in this is the Atlas from Oxford Students Atlas. अब पता नहीं कौन सा एडिशन है, मतलब थर्ड एडिशन है, मतलब 2021 वाला है या नहीं ये नहीं पता. MRP ऑफ दिस, वेट लेट मी चेक. अच्छा, इसकी MRP है 315 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर ऑक्सफोर्ड 249. मतलब इट इज़ गुड, ऐसा कुछ बहुत सस्ता नहीं है. इट इज़ 315 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 249. एक्चुअली आई हैड एटलस, मतलब स्कूल में मिला था मुझे. 2 एटलस थे मेरे पास, मतलब मुझे मेरे भाई को स्कूल में जो बुक सेट आती थी उसके साथ ही एटलस है, और दैट एटलस वी नेवर यूज्ड. वो थे मेरे पास लेकिन फिर कहीं इधर उधर रखा हुआ. आई हैड टू बाय न्यू. एंड द बुक आई एम मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट इज दिस. It is 27 years UPSC IPS prelims topic wise solved papers. It is latest edition 1995 to 2021. So I see what the MRP of this is 625 and I got this for 335, I guess 360 rupees. I'll tell you what happened. Before I was getting this book for 300 rupees only, but I did not proceed to check out. I kept the book in my cart and was waiting for me to select all the other books that I wanted. Or when I saw the cart at evening, that was out of stock, so I had to order the book from other seller, and the seller sold it for 360 rupees. So before it was for 300, I was getting it for 300 and then I had to order it for 360 rupees. 60 rupees I wasted just because I was late. Yeah. So this is the book. I think I needed this very much because apart from the books, I should get some idea about how the questions are coming. If I'm reading history book from 6 to 12 and then some standard books and old NCERT, so I should at least have an idea of what kind of questions are coming, what they ask in examinations, right? So for that I ordered this. I think this was important. So yes, this was all about today's video. Hope you liked the video. Also I have one book is pending. I have ordered Brief History of India by Spectrum. That is yet not delivered. So as soon as I get the book, I'll be making the video and uploading it. And these are the only books I have ordered till now, and I am thinking of not ordering or buying any more books until and unless I'll read all of them. Yes, okay, that is all. If you want to say something, do write in the comment sections below. Okay, bye.